Narito na! Napaka-exciting! Ito na ang ating pinakahihintay. Good news to everyone! I just want to announce, meron na naman tayong bagong financial product na tutulong sa'yo para sa mga healthcare needs mo. Hindi lamang healthcare, kundi mayroong pang life insurance coverage. Alamin natin kung ano ito. Life can be full of surprises. Alam natin yan, and there are some surprises na talagang masusurprise ka dahil hindi lamang to sorpresa na hindi mo gusto, ito rin ay magastos. Maaari kang magkasakit anytime at alam mo naman napakagastos nito. Pwede rin, ikaw ay mawala agad o mamatay. Magastos din ito, lalo na sa mga taong iiwan mo kapag hindi ka handa. Few years ago, nagkaroon ng study kung gaano bang kagastos pag ikaw ay mag-undergo ng critical illness. Tignan natin yung details. Magkano nga ba pag ikaw ay nagkasakit sa panahon ngayon? How much will it cost if you really get sick? For cancer, around 1.835 million ang gagastusin mo. Diagnosis pa lang 200,000 na. Treatment will be around 1.6 million and rehabilitation will be around 35,000 pesos. Malaking pera. Pagdating naman sa heart attack, aabot ng 950,000 or almost a million. Diagnosis pa lang 100,000 ha. For the treatment, mga 500,000 and rehabilitation aabot ng 350,000. For stroke naman, umaabot ito ng higit or umigit kumulang 1.7 million pesos. Diagnosis 100,000, for treatment 1.1 million, and the rehabilitation will be around 600,000. Looking at these details, nakaka-alarm kasi hindi natin inaasahan pwedeng tayo ang datnan ng mga sakit na ito. Ang malaking tanong, handa ba ako? Ready ba ako? Hindi lamang physically, mentally, emotionally, pati rin sa aking bulsa. Buti na lamang meron ka ng kasangga. Allow me to welcome our newest product, Kaiser Troo Max. Hindi lamang to health card or HMO, ito rin ay tutulong sa iyo pagdating sa critical illness and sakaling mawala ang plan holder or ang member nito, magkakaroon ng life insurance benefit ang maiiwan niya. Introducing ang pinakabagong healthcare plan, Kaiser Troo Max. An all-in-one plan which gives you as much as 1 million in extra cash when you get diagnosed with either cancer, heart attack, or stroke. Plus, your loved ones will get as much as 1 million in extra cash in case of untimely death. A healthcare and a life insurance rolled into one. Kaiser International Health Group Inc. is an HMO company na accredited ng Insurance Commission. Registered din ito sa Securities and Exchange Commission since 2004 as a healthcare provider. Its President and Medical Director, Dr. Leia Uyolo, isang seasoned expert when it comes to the HMO industry. True is a life insurance joint venture between East West Banking Corporation, one of the fastest growing banks here in the Philippines, and also AGS Insurance International, a global insurance company with presence in different countries in Asia and Europe. With the partnership of Kaiser and True, nakapag-develop tayo ng isa na namang napakagandang produkto. At siguradong malaki ang tulong nito sa iyong medical, healthcare, and life insurance needs. Alamin natin kung paano gumagana ito. Unahin natin ang healthcare benefits ng Kaiser Troo Max. Kaiser Troo Max is an individual healthcare plan. Atin munang tignan ang kanyang mga healthcare features. The services offered for Kaiser Troo Max are the following: preventive healthcare, inpatient care, outpatient care, emergency care. Unahin muna natin pag-usapan ng preventive care. Find potential health problems bago pa ito dumating. Ang plan holder ng Kaiser Troo ay magkakaroon ng annual physical examination, and this is for free. Tutulungan din kayo ng Kaiser Troo Max magkaroon ng monitoring ng mga health problems, magkakaroon kayo ng health education, counseling on diet, exercise, habits, or even family planning. The next benefit is inpatient care. Sakaling kailanganin ng tao mag-stay sa hospital for treatment. Here are the following services and benefits when you need to avail the inpatient care. The room and board benefit, depende po yan sa plano or package na pinili mo. For operating room, recovery room, administered medicines, x-ray, and laboratory examinations, we will refer to the maximum benefit limit or MBL. This MBL is the maximum amount payable per illness per member per year, inclusive of conditions, diagnostic procedures, and hospitalization. And for other features and services, please refer to what is being showed in your screen right now. Included din dito ang ilan sa mga medical procedures for laparoscopic surgery and lithotripsy up to maximum benefit limit. And for other medical procedures, the limit will be at 5,000 pesos. Now let's talk about the outpatient care. In the event that the member suffers any injury or illness na hindi niya kailangan ma-confine sa any hospital, Kaiser shall provide the following: referral to specialists, regular consultations and treatment, laboratory, x-ray and other diagnostic examination prescribed by a Kaiser accredited physician. Also treatment for some minor injuries and surgery not requiring confinement. And also, the eye, ear, nose, and throat treatment. There is also emergency care sakaling kailanganin ng isang plan holder ang immediate treatment. The following benefits shall be accorded to the member during an emergency case who is in critical condition caused by an illness or injury. We suggest you go to our accredited hospital. Pero kung sakaling mapunta ka sa non-accredited hospital, Kaiser will reimburse 80% of the total hospital bills, inclusive of the professional fees. Idagdag ko na rin na sakaling walang accredited hospital sa inyong area, the reimbursable is 100%. Your PhilHealth benefit, on the other hand, is integrated with Kaiser. But for those Kaiser members na hindi naman member ng PhilHealth, they will shoulder and pay the corresponding portion of the PhilHealth. Sino ang mga pwedeng kumuha ng Kaiser Troo Max? At least 18 years old up to age 55 years old. And this plan is renewable yearly up to age 64. All pre-existing conditions shall be deemed covered by Kaiser only after the lapse of 1 year of continuous membership of the member concerned, and provided that the applicable benefit shall not exceed the maximum amount per pre-existing condition or disease per year of membership. Para mas madaling intindihin, kapag ikaw ay member ng Kaiser Troo Max for about a year or 12 months, sa renewal mo on the second year onwards, covered na ang mga pre-existing conditions. At sa mga nagtatanong, ano-ano ba ang mga pre-existing illnesses? Ito po yung mga details about it. Pagdating naman sa mga tinatawag na dreaded disease, ito po ay covered after being a member for 24 months. In the third year of your renewal, covered po ang any dreaded disease. Ito po ang ilan sa mga listahan ng mga tinatawag nilang dreaded disease. Meron din ito mga exclusions and limitations sa healthcare. Hindi kasama rito ang serbisyo ng mga preferred private nurse or doctor mo, use of extra bed, food, television, DVD, electric fan, admission fee, ID bracelet at marami pang iba basta hindi related to the medical management ng pasyente. Hindi rin kasama yung mga hospitalization, medical service, or medicine na galing sa desisyon ng member na hindi prescribed ng any attending physician or Kaiser provider. Hospitalization and treatment outside the Philippines is also not covered. Sa mga outpatient benefits naman, ito po yung mga hindi kasama or excluded sa ating plan. At ilang pang exclusion and limitations related sa ating mga sakit, medical care, or medical needs. Ito po ang mga detalye. Ito naman, pag-usapan natin ang critical illness and the life insurance benefit ng Kaiser Troo Max. Hindi ito ang typical health card mo. It gives you added protection. Here are the product variants. Para mas maging clear sa inyo ang benefits and pricing, we will divide it into 3 age groups. For 18 to 40 years old, the next is for 41 to 50 years old. Lastly, for 51 to 55 years old. The lowest plan for an 18 to 40 years old will be Max 100. You can see here the room type and also the benefit limit per illness and 2 different premiums. Premium A excluding the major hospitals while Premium B kasama yung mga major hospitals. Kasama din dyan ang critical illness benefit of 100,000 pesos plus 100,000 pesos life insurance protection benefit to be given to your beneficiary. Kung ang nais mo ay better room and more benefit limit, tatasan lang din natin ang premium. The next plan will be Max 300. The room type will be the same and also the benefit limit. The difference here is the critical illness benefit as well as the life insurance protection benefit. Mas mataas ito'y nasa 300,000 pesos. Of course, the premium will be a little bit higher than Max 100. The next plan will be Max 500. Same pa din ang room type and benefit limit with 500,000 pesos critical illness and life insurance protection benefit. And syempre, mas mataas ang premium nito kaysa dun sa unang dalawa. Next will be Max 750. Same ulit ang room type and benefit limit. Critical illness and life insurance benefit will be around 750,000 pesos na. Mas mataas. And syempre, mas mataas ang premium. And the last variation for 18 to 40 years old, the Max 1,000. Same room type and benefit limit, but with higher critical illness benefit and life insurance protection. It will be around 1 million pesos. For 41 to 50 years old, here are the product variations. It will start sa Max 100 up to Max 1,000. Same pa rin ang room type and benefit limit, as well as the critical illness and life insurance protection benefit. But of course, mas mataas ang presyo nito dahil mas mataas ang age group natin. Here are the details and the price of every product variation for 41 to 50 years old. The last age group, 51 to 55 years old. We can start at Max 100 up to Max 1,000 with same room type, same benefit limit, and same critical illness and life protection benefit. This time, much higher ngayon ang ating premium dahil pinakamataas na age group na ito. Here are the details and prices for 51 to 55 years old. Sobrang ganda ng Kaiser Troo Max. Malaking tulong pagdating sa ating health card and life insurance needs. Tignan naman natin ngayon ang mga katanungan na madalas nating naririnig sa mga tao tungkol dito. Who may avail the Kaiser Troo Max? Those age 18 to 55. Pwedeng mag-apply sa Kaiser Troo Max. Kapag aprobado ang kanilang plano up to age 64, pwede sila mag-renew. What type of critical illness is covered by Kaiser Troo Max? The product covers heart attack, cancer, and stroke. Will I be covered from day one of policy issuance? For life insurance, your coverage starts from day one. But for critical illness benefit, there is a waiting period of 6 months. What if I change my mind and want to cancel my policy and refund my premiums? We still have a free look period of 15 calendar days upon receipt of your statement of insurance coverage. Pwede mong i-cancel ang policy mo during this time. What does it mean to be actively at work? It only means nasa mabuti kang kalagayan, good health ka, physically able ka to perform the usual duties para ikaw ay makapagtrabaho. What is the contestability period for the policy? The policy shall be incontestable after 1 year from effectivity date or reinstatement date. At ito pa ang ilan sa mga frequently asked question na makakatulong sa inyo para mas maintindihan ito. This product becomes very unique and more than that, very attractive because hindi lang to typical na health card mo na kung saan sakit lang ang natutugunan. Meron pa tong tinatawag na mga life insurance benefit. Malaking tulong yan sakaling hindi pala rin na mabuhay ang pasyente, matutulungan ang mga iniwan nito. Ang maganda rito, it's very affordable at higit sa lahat, malaki ang matutulong sa'yo lalo na pagkailanganin mo. Get your Kaiser Troo Max now! Another amazing product na tutulong para mas mapatibay ang iyong financial foundation. If you're interested to start, contact me on my details on the screen. I am JM Balabis, an IMG associate. IMG and its members are the only exclusive broker of this Kaiser Troo Max. You can also check the description for my contact details para masagot ko ang mga katanungan mo at mas matulungan kitang makapagsimula ng Kaiser Troo Max. Salamat Kaiser, salamat Troo for developing another amazing product, not just to protect myself but also to protect my family.